Good morning, students. Now we will see some more problems in exercise 26. Okay. Now see this one. Find the mean of these values. Okay. Here they have given 6.5, 8.2, 9.4, 4.6, 7.8 and 4.9. These are the values. How many values they have given here? That means how many observations they have given here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 observations they have given here. So we have to find the mean of these 6 observations. Okay. Now first write down the given values. So given values. Given that 6.5, 8.2, 9.4, 4.6, 7.8, 4.9. Now what we have to find? Sum of the values. So we have to find, that means we have to add all these values. 6.4 and 4.6 plus 7.8 plus 4.9. How much you get here? 41.4. Now how many values they have given here? Write down the number of values. Number of values is 6. So finally what we have to find here? Mean. Mean equal to sum of the observations by number of observations. Here sum of them values divided by number of values. How much here? 41.4 divided by 6. How much you get here? 6.9. Okay, 6.9. Understood this one? Now see the second one. Find the mean of first 5 multiples of 6. So first 5 multiples means, remember 6th table. So first 5 multiples are, so write down multiples here. First 5 multiples of 6 is equal to, what are they here? 6, 6 2 is 12, 6 3 is 18, 6 4 is 24, so 30. So these are the first 5 multiples of 6. Now what to do? We have to find the mean of these values. Right. Write down that one. Mean is equal to sum of therefore sum of values is equal to, add all these 5 multiples. 6 12, add these 5 multiples here. 6 12 18 plus 24 plus 30. Now we add this total. How much you get here? 90. Okay. You get here 90. How many multiples we are taking here? 5. We are taking first 5 multiples. Therefore, number of values. How many values we are taking? 5 multiples. So, the number will be 5. Now, write down, calculate this mean here. What is the formula? Sum of values divided by number of values. Now, substitute these values here. How much this one? 90 divided by 5. How much you get here? 18. So, this is the way you have to calculate mean here. First, write down the given observations. After that, find out the sum of the observations. Next, check how many observations we are taking here. After that, substitute these values in the formula of mean here. Understood this one? So, see the next problem. Find the mean of all prime numbers between 20 and 40. You know what are the prime numbers? Among the prime numbers, we have to take the prime numbers between 20 and 40. So check for prime numbers between 20 and 40. So here you can see prime numbers. If you observe here, this is the chart of prime numbers from 1 to 100. In this chart, we can observe prime numbers from 20 to 40. If you observe here, from 20 to 40, how many prime numbers are here? 23, 29, 31 and 37. Only 4 prime numbers we have in between 20 and 40. Okay, so among these, between 20 and 40, how many are there here? Write down all the prime numbers here. So like this, write down prime numbers between 20 and 40. Okay, after that, so what are they here? 20 and 40, 23, 29, 31, 37. Okay, now sum of prime numbers. How much here? 23 plus 29 plus 31 plus 37. So what is the sum here? 120. Now number of values. That means number of observations we are taking here. We are talking about between 20 and 40. Prime numbers between 20 and 40. So in between 20 and 40 we have 4 prime numbers only. 23, 29, 31, 37. Okay. So how many these here? Only 4. Okay. So now write down lastly sum, that is mean is equal to sum of prime numbers. Sum of prime numbers, that means observations. That is divided by number of observations. Number of observations. Substitute these values here. What is the sum here? 120. That is divided by number of observations, that is 4. How much you get here? 30. Okay. How much you get here? 30. 30 is your mean here. Understood this one, what to do? So like that you have to do. First what they have given, what is they are asking in the question, just understand that one. After that write down the consequent steps. After that find out what we have to find. Understood?